Good day, sir. I am Baraza Yancel from BSMT 2Y1-2. I will explain my slogan about HIV. Avoid the scare, be aware. The image uses the slogan avoid the scare, be aware alongside a red ribbon, which is a universal symbol for HIV/AIDS awareness. The clasped hands show solidarity, support, and a sense of unity in the fight against HIV. This image emphasizes that education and awareness about HIV are crucial for prevention and reducing stigma. Understand the HIV transmission prevention method and available